Hello. Um, so today what we are discussing is how we have implemented this project till now has gone very well. So today what we have done is we have fixed all the different parts into a into two different boards. One is for the virtual bench, one is for the operational bench.
Okay.
As we can see here, we have fixed the cam, and this is freely about to move in any direction we need. It
Okay.
can move like this, or if we need, we can move like this.
Okay.
Means on a horizontal and vertical angle. And we are not keeping this as fixed.
Right.
So whatever we need, as we know that on this bench another doctor will be there.
Okay.
And what he will do, he will arrange this as per the requirements.
So this part to be operated.
This part means which part needs to be operated.
Okay.
He will move as per the guidelines.
That's right.
Given by the main doctor.
Okay. So here the operation will take place in this portion of the ear.
This is the operation bench.
In the portion of ear.
Yeah.
Some part of ear.
Some part of the ear.
Okay.
And where we need, means if we need to cut the tissues or cells, or however it is needed, switching mechanism or everything is needed.
So
Stitching mechanism.
Yeah. What are the tools to be fixed over here? I mean, that is to be planned. What are the tools? Basic tools.
We are using a knife.
Surgical. Yeah.
Surgical knife, a scissor, and a stitch.
Stitch. So
we haven't planned the switch till now. Stitch till now, but we'll be doing.
No, for stitching we are going to use this specialty needle.
Specialty needle.
Yeah, semicircular needle.
Semicircular needle.
Yeah.
And then coming to this end.
So which one is the virtual platform?
This is the operational bench.
This is the operational bench.
This is the virtual bench. Where the doctor will be. The main doctor will be. He will be providing guidelines to this one. This is the transmitter section.
Okay.
Where we are, where we can see there are 3 switches here.
Okay.
Means this switch will control the movement.
Right.
Control the actually I want to say control the mechanism which we are using as per the requirement.
That's right. That's right.
Now
this part. This is the transmission part.
This is the transmission part. We have just connected a battery, and there is
and the modules and chips are there.
Modules and chips are already integrated.
Yes. And the VLSI part is there in the receiver.
VLSI is there in the receiver.
In the receiver.
And,
okay.
We will be fixing it like this.
Only a part you have completed today.
Only a part we have completed.
So only 10-15% of the whole project.
I won't mention any percentage, but we are going to get a good response within 1 month. I hope so.
That's right. And about your experience?
And it's a wonderful experience. What I have done, I have at these 2 points I have drilled. I know.
Okay.
And it's a good experience, since I have never seen completing a project or starting the initialization of the project
in a full-fledged manner, in a professional manner.
And also it has gone too fast today.
That's right. So, so far the first day was concerned.
And my first day of hardware is concerned.
Actual installation
of the whole thing. We have not made the entire circuitry, since it will take a long time. So this is all.
About the theoretical part.